Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys these beautiful Apple watch bands from LETOID. These are the most fanciest watch bands I have ever worn, and I get so many compliments on them every single day. Check out the beauty of these bands. I got both the silver and the black braid bands, and both of them are equally as beautiful, and they instantly enhance the look of any outfit that I wear. I love wearing bracelets, and I hated that my old watch band always looked so plain and so boring, but these watch bands right here are nothing short of perfection. I love that these give off the look of wearing stacked bracelets, and each one of these strands are just so beautiful and they complement each other so nicely. My favorite strand is the one with the rhinestones. I think this one really gives the whole band that extra touch of shine and sparkle and really makes the whole band stand out. The black band has the metallic hardware while the white band has the gold hardware, and each of these bands come with 4 removable links that you can customize to your wrist. My wrists are about 6.5 inches, so I just used the one link and it was a perfect fit. I have been wearing these bands every single day for over a month now, and I've not noticed any peeling or wear and tear to the material. I have been highly impressed with its quality. These bands are just so much fun. They bring out that fashionista in me. So if you're ready to get rid of your old, boring Apple Watch bands and give your watch band some character and some bling, definitely check these ones out from LETOID. But that's just my point of view.